Why you need 1 million Hoge Finance coins? Welcome to our channel, and please subscribe if you don't want to miss out on our new videos. Disclaimer: the opinions expressed here are not investment advice and are solely for educational purposes. Before making any decisions, you should always conduct research. We do not advise investing money that you cannot afford to lose. Hoge Finance was trading at $0.00009017 at the time of creating this video. With a live market cap of $36,331,955, coin market cap currently ranks number 605. In this video, we will look at the Hoge Finance coin price prediction for 2022 to 2025. A $90 investment in these coins today will net you over a million Hoge coins. Hoge would soon be listed on Binance.com, Coinbase.com, Kucoin.com, Crypto.com, and a slew of other top exchanges. These will also raise the value of the coin. According to our calculations, the Hoge Finance cost would be around $0.000665 by the end of 2023, and it could easily reach $0.00242559 by the end of 2024. According to Hoge Finance conjecture cost and specialized research, the Hoge cost is expected to cross a normal value level of $0.00058692 in 2023, with Hoge Finance's normal least value worth being $0.00054878. Hoge can also reach a maximum value of $0.00069585. When we compute the Hoge Finance not-so-distant future value expectation toward the end of 2025, we discover an astonishing value of $0.00214557 per Hoge Finance. In the same way, consider the Hoge coin price prediction cost and Hoge Finance target value data. With increased acceptance and connections between other major blockchain networks by 2025, the cost of Hoge Finance would skyrocket, with the most extreme exchanging cost potentially reaching $0.0013 in 2025. According to Hoge Finance's price prediction and technical analysis, the Hoge price will cross an average price level of $0.000126 in 2025, with a minimum price value of $0.001514 expected by the end of the current year. Hoge also has a maximum price level of $0.00154449. If we keep it this way, the value ranges will be very popular. For 2025, we can expect a normal cost of $0.00167886 and a maximum cost of $0.001693 if everything goes as planned. Despite its youth, Hoge Finance has successfully integrated its brand into the esports market, NFT craftsmanship, and good cause projects. It differs from other deflationary image coins in that it serves as the standard against which any outstanding tasks are estimated. HogeFinance.com contains a list of completed and planned ventures, as well as for instructions for purchasing the coin. Hoge is one of the most important DeFi image coins for completing a CertiK review successfully. There were no fundamental, major, or medium discoveries made. Skynet's security rating was around 90. Holders can get NFTs from Hoge, and the company supports esports and rally racing trucks. As a result, they are familiar with patterns and advertising. Hoge Finance debuted in February 2021 as an ERC20 token with a deflationary stockpile instrument, which means that the total supply of Hoge coins is constantly decreasing. It quickly gained a foothold on Uniswap due to the widespread use of the image-fueled type, as well as a clever contract that guarantees coin holders a long period of locked liquidity. Please give us thumbs up, share our video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.